Welcome back to. Oh my gosh, I forgot. And near the Nether, get to the Nether, race to the Nether. I can't.
Race to the Netherland.
Yes, okay. The Netherland?
Netherland or?
No, it's definitely Nether. Okay, well, welcome back to Race to the Nether. And I just started this right after other episode because, in the time I publish them, they'll be right next to each other because I forgot to do an episode Saturday. But yeah, alright. Where's mine? Ow, come on. Really? Well, I could use some more food. I can't find. I lost it again. Oh man. Okay. Ah, come on. No. Ah. Dang it.
I'll make a torch.
Huh? Oh, I see a ladder. Huh?
I'll make a torch. I got the sticks, but what else do I need?
Alright, go on your crafting menu. Likely it's only classic crafting for me. Not there. I think it's like... Oh, it's right there. Oh, do you have any coal on you? No, you don't.
Yeah, I got coal.
I see.
I'll pick some up over there.
That's flint.
Oh, look.
Yeah, that's flint.
Oh, I got it in here. Hang on.
I'm looking through your inventory.
Right there.
Huh? Oh, then take that out. Alright, I'll be back in a second.
Alright.
See, 1 second. I wouldn't suggest making it all of it this set.
What do I got?
Alright, I gotta make sure.
It's like little ticking on
Daily cycle on. Dang it, I forgot. Oh, sorry. But I was honestly, I saw my house and it was this way. Why am I going that way then?
Or did it?
Come on.
Did it make?
Yes, it's in your inventory, and you got 56. I think you're good.
Where's it at?
It's right. It's in your hotbar.
Oh, jeez, I got a bunch of them.
Yeah. Did you craft all your coal into that?
I hope not.
I think you did. Oh, you didn't. You got 5 left. White wool, yeah, I'll just place it there. Just because I can. Okay. Hello? I didn't give you names yet, dang it. Alright. Why are you looking there for? I can't see anything. Alright, well, let's see. Okay. Which one of you want to be the blue color? You or you? Ah, man, all of them, most of them like blue. You looked at me first. So you get blue. Oh wait. Fuck. You broke another one? Alright, well, I'm gonna get this guy green. He liked it. He nodded, said he wanted green. And I wonder why he wants green. It's an absolute mystery. Complete mystery. I have no clue why. Okay. Wow, I got this stuff. But I can still make iron ore. Wow. Okay. Now, guys. Alright. Now, should I put this? Alright, now I'm just gonna put my junk in here. Alright, now I'm gonna leave this in here just for now. Cause I'm gonna help Dad a little bit before. And I just really don't need have any use for avoiding tools. But that's probably the only other use. Burning them. I do need a lot more coal though. Okay, and then after that one's burned, I'm putting in coal. And this one should go out quickly. And this one, wood should go out quickly. Lava buckets though, they go out, well, practically never. Alright, well, and see that? It's running down, it's not even finishing. Okay, it just got me one. Alright, well, that's all I need. Alright, wait, now I still need you. Oh my gosh, I don't have any wood. Oh man. Alright, well, I'm gonna head down, cut down a tree. Not this tree, obviously, because it's a house. I have done it before. Alright, but I will cut down this oak tree. Ha! I just burned it. Primitive. Are you throwing away stone? Oh, I got it.
Making room.
How much room? Actually, that's probably the reason why you didn't get those other blocks when you mined them. Because you didn't have enough room. Alright. Oh, it's that. Alright. Alright, something fell on the floor and it was just a cap for the camera. Alright, and then all this goes into planks. And then for those.
Is there a way to get rid of all this in one shot?
Alright, first of all, alright, go in your inventory. Alright, and grab whatever you select and what you want to move. Alright, pick, select that as X, drag it to the side, and X. There. Alright, and then I got one stick that goes there. I burned it. Okay, you know what, that's still going. Alright, so one stick goes there. And then I got 1, 2. Diamond sword! Yes! Oh! I just realized something.
What?
I need an anvil to enchant my diamond sword with a knockback. And besides, I want to get an enchantment room. Oh! Now I have a use for those extra 4 I got. Enchantment. Dang it, I gotta go back to the cave to get one more diamond. What else is there? Let's see, I still got to get a ton of iron to combine my combine my diamond sword with that knockback too, which is gonna be awesome when I have to defeat you. Yeah, let's go back. Got the ladder. Alright, and then just add some more stuff. Alright, and now I'm done with my things I had to do for the challenge. And now I'm gonna do my things that I just want to do because of I got sidetracked. Alright, so I will get some iron outside of the video because you know how annoying it will be just watching me get a lot of iron unless I have enough. Do you think do I have enough? I have enough to make an anvil. Alright. I've got enough for an anvil. Now, this is very important where I should place it. See, but it's dark. I'm not even bothering making the bed because I know you're not very going to bed. It's very. I need to be accurate to where I want to place it. Ooh, I have some stone. I have some cobblestone. I did have an idea. Dang it, I'm out. I'm out of coal. Seriously. I'm gonna have to put this aside. What am I not missing? Seriously. I am missing everything I need. Why do I have shears? Oh yeah. Okay, well, let's see. I got a wooden pickaxe here. I can put that in. And I got a ladder in here as well. Seriously, I'm just burning everything I don't need. I might put some logs in there. Oh, I also got some saplings you can put in there. I wonder if you can burn arrows. I'm pretty sure you can burn a string. So I'm just burning everything. Yeah, so that's what's going on. I'm just burning everything I don't need. You cannot burn arrows. You can burn saplings though, but that's not very helpful. At all. Alright, so that's in. Oh wow, that ladder actually lasts a while.
I hear the dog.
Huh?
I hear a dog again.
That's probably my dog. Well, I'm definitely not getting anything done now. Can you burn a flower? No, you cannot burn a flower. Can you burn some string? No, you cannot burn some string. Let's see what I can burn and what I cannot burn. Can I burn some some jungle leaves? I'll just take these two. No, you cannot burn a jungle leaf. Oh, that makes it goes back here. Okay, well, these guys are gonna be pretty bored when they see me when they see what I do during nighttime. Just stay up here and do absolutely nothing. Yeah, I guess I could do a little bit. Okay. I just want to make it. I do like having like this stone. And I do like having stone there. Oh man. Alright, well, stone. Maybe should I did like there, dang it. Well, I don't see anything else I can do. You don't burn a flower. You cannot burn a flower. Yeah, why not? Let's give it a area of fight. Just my junk. I do need some iron so I can craft. Full iron armor. I could do full diamond armor, but yeah, I can just wait. But if I get some diamond armor, some diamonds, more diamonds than I need, then I'm just gonna get some diamond armor for myself. Cause seriously, it's a Nether. What Nether? Yeah, it's a Nether we're going to. Don't forget, I'm helping you. Oh, I know what I can do. Stop this. No, set player spawn point. No. I want this to be my player spawn point. I thought it was fading. Next, let's just grab it for you. Okay, 14 minutes. And yeah, what we're doing now is just gonna bore you. Because it's already boring me. Oh, Oh man. I got some gold for you. Dang it. Alright, well, at least I got some light. And I probably should put that there, just. Okay, and. Seriously, I'm really tempted to either end the episode now, because seriously, it's super boring. This part, just skip ahead. But I'm either deciding ending the episode now, because there's nothing more boring than waiting for morning. Seriously, there's nothing more boring. Alright, I can't place Anvil. Got it. Yeah. Alright. I keep on thinking, okay, see that green thing right there, that vine? Why can't I sweep? No, anything. Oh, that's cocoa beans. Okay, that's that thing. But I'm not sure what's going there. So see those signs? I keep on looking. It's like on cloud eye. It's like an enderman. Oh wait, no, it's not an enderman. But you'll probably be freaked out too. Now, do I have enough of that? I need to name this thing. Oh, they should updated this thing before. Yeah.
Lock me up.
Yeah, before when I had to do this, it would lock him up too. But now I can do this.
Can't see it.
And have fun. Wow, man. Why am I trying to do at a disadvantage? You're not even doing so well now. Oh, you got some iron.
I do.
Oh, look at your pickaxe. Those are iron pickaxes.
Oh yeah, I made those.
Okay. So you're completely...
now I'm locked up.
Ah, come on.
It took it a while. Once I stopped, it locked me up.
Alright, so you can't stop.
So I can't stop when you do that.
Alright. Alright, well, so what do I want to name this? Well, first of all, I want to put this cap back in. Alright. I'll let you know when I need to do it, but I do have the name. Okay, I will do it in 3, 2, 1, don't stop.
Don't stop.
Ultra. Alright, you can switch between them. Why would you stop?
You said okay, you can switch between them, so I stopped.
That's not what I said. I meant. I said you can switch between them, and I meant you can switch between their slots.
Just fill out your thing.
Alright, the katana. Lowercase. Okay.
Good.
Katana. The ultra katana. Haha! I brought my ultra katana, and now it can work again. Alright, well, episode's almost over, and I like my ultra katana. And that's one of those swords that I'm just never take it away. So I'm just gonna, when it gets low on health, just get another diamond sword to repair it. But yeah. So he's gonna get a green color. Okay. Well, I'm going to have to end the episode now. I'm gonna find out where my dad is, and then go and help him. If I had a map, where's my map? Well, alright. Well, let's see. My map is here. Okay, got it. Well, see you later. See you in the next episode, which will not be in the next minute. Bye!